Hey guys, I'm Mike Case. You're watching 336 Off-Road. Today's video is brought to you by Kemimoto. Kemimoto sent us a razor metal grill for a XP 1000, XP Turbo S models. It fits all 2 and 4 seaters. You can click on the link in the description, go straight to it, and stick one in your cart before you check out. I recommend going around the website. They have a lot of great stuff. They have marine, on-road, and our favorite, off-roading. Kemimoto was nice enough to send us a few other products we will be doing installs and reviews on in the future. Right now, we're gonna let Jonathan Burchell take it from here. Jonathan, show us what you got, brother.
Hey guys, gonna swap out the factory plastic Turbo S grill with the Kemimoto. If you can see that, Kemimoto aluminum powder coated black, quite a bit stouter than the factory plastic one. Looks a lot better as well. Super easy install. You got 2 push clips that on the factory grill, break that loose, slide that up out. Yours may be even a little easier. I have the hood bars kind of in the way, but still pretty simple. Comes out. Plastic, it doesn't offer a whole lot of protection. Swap it out with the Kemimoto. Like I said, aluminum, powder coated black. Has 4 mounting slots with the factory dog gears that go in the factory location. So clean install. Slides right behind. Right back where the factory grill was located. Slide that in. Slide that in. It's got the factory cutout as well for the front camera if your machine has that. And slide it right into place. Take your 4 included self-tap bolts, fasten that in. Turn you guys around. As you can see, it's a clean install. Very simple. And Kemimoto with the packaging, you'll also get 2 pod lights, LED pod lights, with a plug and play harness as well. Hot on the battery, ground, mount your toggle. You're in business. Good packaging. Appreciate Kemimoto.